About Groove Robot Vacuum Cleaner, perfect for day-to-day cleaning maintenance. 2000 PA of suction power and a high-efficiency filter help tackle dust, dirt, pet hair, and crumbs on both hard floor and low-pile carpets for waste to control. Use the Eureka app to schedule and control the robotic vacuum cleaner from anywhere or use Alexa and Google Assistant voice control. If you prefer offline, simply use the remote or manual control with the on-unit button. 3 cleaning modes. Auto mode for a whole home clean, edge mode for corners and under kitchen counters, and spot mode for entryways and around litter boxes for a concentrated clean. Anti-scratch brush roll. Specially designed to protect your hard floors yet also clean the carpet using a combination of specially angled soft bristle brushes and flexible rubber blades. Excellent climbing ability. The Groove Gear climbing wheels make an easy transition from hard floor to carpet and over door thresholds. Now let's watch the video.